warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and salam sejahtera. Today I would like to explain to you how to answer these questions. This is under cash budget. It's about 20 marks on your final. Then the question is situated at the left of your screen, and at the right is the working or the answer of the final answer at the right, and also the working is on the left. So I will use this left and right so that you can do it by your own first and then refer to my answer. Then it's also direct to the questions. Okay, so you go to the questions of its monthly sales. This is a ABC company historical has at 35 cash sales. So I will highlight the cash sales with the remainder paid within 1 month. Remainder meanings is 75%. So from the sales you get the 25%, and the balance you will get from sales. 75% will be paid next month. So we give to the clients 1 month period to the client to pay the debts, or you receive the payment from the clients. So each month purchase are equal to 75% of next month's sales forecast. So we need to purchase the raw materials. So we have to purchase earlier. Then that's why we have to forecast the next month to purchase or to buy the raw material to meet the sales requirement for next month. And then the supplier are paid 1 month after the purchase. For example, we purchase this month, then we receive the money, or the supplier will be paid after 1 month. Then this is the receive. So for the next paragraph is say about the expenses, or what I mean is the cash out. We pay for the amount. We have to use our money to pay the expenses. For example, the expenses of salary, 100,000 a month, except in January when bonus. So bonus is 1% from the previous years or December. So the salary will be paid on January, and including the bonus. So for January is different with February and March, where we have to pay a greater amount rather than February and March, compared to February and March. And then we also, or the company also, have to pay the interest on bond issue. So this is the direct amount, 20,000. You no need to calculate percentage or other workings. You have to pay by March. Overhead and utilities. This is, for example, you have to pay the electricity bills, water bills, and gas bills. Any bills we have to pay approximately 50,000 monthly. Then this also the payment due in March, and 90,000. This is the single amounts, not to be paid by monthly. So this is very clear. Then this is in paragraph 3 is about the sales figure. Sales figure, this is about not we receive, is reference to paragraph 1 and paragraph 2, where we have to pay and we receive the money from the sales figure. For December last year, 400,000 sales, and January 200, February and March and April. And then for paragraph 4, assume a minimum desired balance of 30,000. So in this unit, every month you have to 80,000 ringgit minimum desired balance of 80,000. And what purpose we have to get money 80,000? We need money 80,000 to. The answer is the company needs money to run smoothly in business for next periods. And at ending, what is ending December cash? Last year is 100,000. Ending is means 31st of December of 2024. And then for 1st of January 2025, the amount will be same 100,000. It is understood that firm should obtain bank loans. So for this purpose, if you need 80,000, you need to apply loan to meet the requirement of 80,000 per month. Then you have to prepare for the month of February. Then the question is, you have to prepare the cash budget for January, February, March and April. So I have prepared to you the table for cash budget for January, February, March and April. You give the ample space, or just a larger space, larger row for details, and rest for is smaller than details. Okay. First is all. So you have to the main important thing is the sales. So this is the sales. The sales is not the sale is just reference. It's not included in the for purpose of to plus or to the minus. So the sales on January is 200,000. February 400,000. March 500,000. April 600,000. So we assume this is considered as A. Okay. Then you have to double line, and then we continue to cash receive. What is that mean of cash receive? Where the business get the money. So the money came from cash sales. So cash sales will be B. So the cash sale is 25% cash sale. So you have to times 25% here. So cash sale is 25% times E. For January is 25% times 200,000. Then use your calculator. Plus 25% times 200,000. We'll get 50,000. The same for February, March and April. Same apply for February, March and April. Then for February, you just multiply 35% times 400,000. Then you will get 100,000. And I will calculate you for March and April. Is 135,000 for March and 150,000 for April. Then you calculate the sorry. And C is cash received is collection from previous month. Collection is 75%. So from the questions, each month purchase are equal to 75% of the next month sales forecast. Okay. So for December sales is 400,000. This is the sales. So 25% is, this is for calculations. $100,000. So the remaining is 75% is 300,000. From the questions, this 300,000 will be received remainder within 1 month. So the balance of 300,000 will be received by January. All right. So 300,000. Okay, for February, the balance of 50,000 is 150,000 will be received by February. All right. So the balance is 150,000. 200 minus 50. This one 400 minus 100 is 300,000, and the balance of March of 500 minus 125 is 375,000 will be paid on April. So this is the sales the receive. We have received the money came from the cash sale and the collection from the previous month. All right. Okay, so we total up the cash receipt. Then I will give the answer 350,000, and then this is 250,000, and for March 425,000 and 525,000. Okay, so this is cash receipt, and then don't forget the cash payment. Cash payment, we pay the amount. We need to pay the amount. What is the detail of payments you have to pay every month is payment for purchase, and then salary and bonus, and then interest, and then overhead, and then dividends. So we settle the easy one first. Is salary. Salary is 100,000 per month except January. So you can write first 100,000. And then for January is 100,000 plus 1%. 1% bonus, 1% times last month sales. Sales last month is 400,000, is equivalent to 40,000. %, sorry. So 10% times 400,000 is 40,000. So for the January is 100 plus 40,000 is 140,000. Interest is dividends 90,000 in March. Dividends. Interest is also in March, 20,000. And purchase is very is quite slightly difficult. Purchase, we have to pay the so I will purchase, we have to purchase, then you have to pay. Is purchase is 75% of the next month sales forecast. For example, for January, sales for January is 400,000. February is 400,000. You have to pay on January 75% times 400,000 is okay, each month purchase are equal to 75% of the next month sale forecast. Okay, sorry, 75% of next forecast is 300,000. Then this amount, this 300,000 will be paid next month. Because the supplier give you 1 month period. So 300,000. How to get 300,000? From January sales, from February sales, you have to pay, you have to purchase, and then will be paid on February. Okay. How about for January? January payment. January payment is based on the 200,000. Okay. So this is the sales of January, 200,000. Then for last year, December, you purchase about 75% times 200,000 is 150,000. Then this 150,000 will be paid on January. So just fill up this 150,000. And for March and April, you purchase based on April. For March, for example, April sale, April 600,000. Okay, sorry. March is 500,000, and on February you have to purchase 75% of 500,000. $375,000. Then this 375,000 you will pay on March. And same thing for April. For April, sales is 600,000. Then you have to purchase 75% from 600,000 is equal to 450,000. Then this 450,000 will be paid on April. Okay, so you have already complete for payments. Then you sum up all the payments from 150,000 up to down. Then you get the overhead. Interest. Okay, sorry. Overhead. So I change the word is utilities. Utilities for monthly is 50,000 monthly. 50,000, 50,000, 50,000, 50,000. Okay, then you change color to blue. Then you just total it up, and then the 150 and 50 is 340,000, and then here is 450,000. You just here, then you get the 635,000, and this is 600,000. This is total cash payment, TCP. Alright, okay. And then net cash flow. Net cash flow is, this is a receive is total cash receive. So net cash flow ialah apa? TCR here minus TCP. 350 minus 340 is, so your money is 110,000. Then 250 minus 450 is negative 200,000. And for next month, March, negative 210,000. And this is negative 75,000. Okay, so the next row is beginning cash balance. Beginning cash balance, BCB, and then bank loan, and then this is ending cash balance. So the beginning cash balance is actually you get from the 100,000 here. Don't forget. So the December 31st of December, then at 1st of January you will get 100,000. So you get money 110 because you need 80,000. You need minimum you need is 80,000. Then your money at January is 110. Then you no need to get bank loan, which is 110,000. Okay. This is very the step 1. Ending cash balance will be as the right. And straight away 110,000. The ending will be the beginning on the next month. So if you total up, then you will get, you will get how much? Negative 200,000 plus 110,000. Then I think you don't have much money, shortage of money. Negative to forever 200, and then you have 100. Then you just follow up, just total up. Negative 200 80,000 plus 110. So negative 90,000. Okay. Actually, you need money 80,000. Okay tak? Negative 90,000. You need money. Bank loan. You need money how much? Bank balance 80,000. Then how much you will get? You need bank loan. BL is equal to this one you apply to mathematics. 80,000 plus 90,000. Then this is 170,000. So you just total up here, then you will get the 80,000. So minimum you need 80,000. Every month you need 80,000. Okay, this 80,000 will be the beginning cash balance. This is 80,000. Okay, the same thing, the same formula goes is negative 20,000, negative 210,000 plus 80,000. Then you get the still negative 130,000. So bank loans is 80,000 plus 130,000. Campurkan ni. Then 200,000, 10,000. You total up, then you get the 80,000, the minimum requirement. And then this 80,000 also you have to bring up to beginning cash balance. And then I will you calculate by yourself. Then you get the bank loan 75,000 and 80,000 here. Okay, you can refer to my PDF questions and also the my video and also the answer I will give to you to your group. Okay, thanks. This is carried 35 marks or 20 marks. Then for this today you have to very familiar, and please after you understood these solutions, then you have to do it by your own. Okay, bye. Until next, we'll see you in the next video and on the class. Bye bye.